It was an amazing experience watching the night sky organized by Star Galaxy. Especially, we saw the craters on Moon was amazing. Like we have never experienced this before. Awesome.
Yeah, for me, like Saturn was, special because it was looking so amazing. We only saw it in, magazines and books, but looking it through telescope was a wow moment for me. So yeah, thanks Astro Party for the moments. Thank you.
Yeah, for me also, this is the first time experience we are seen in the moon and the Saturn also. It was really amazing and good. And thanks for the aeronautics space exploration. Thanks for giving this.